وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the new short video tutorial of the Arabic language using the Madinah Arabic books. We are in part 8 of lesson 3 of book 1. Today we'll try to wrap up the lesson 3 inshallah. We have a couple of pages yet to cover. We will start with page 18 where we are given an exercise with 2 columns. We need to match the words in the right column with the appropriate words on the left to make up a total of 6 Jumlah Ismiyyah type sentences. The first word in the right column is at-talibu, the student. Let's see what we have in the left column. We have lazizun, which means delicious, maksurun, which means broken, thaqilun is heavy, maftuhun is open, maridun is sick, and harun is hot. Which one do you think will be the right khabar to at-talibu? Maridun, right? So our first sentence is at-talibu maridun. The student is sick. At-talibu is coming as mubtada here, and maridun is coming as the khabar of the sentence. The second word in the right column is ad-dukkanu, which means the shop or the store. What would be the right khabar for this mubtada? The store can be maftuhun, right? That is open. Our second sentence will be ad-dukkanu maftuhun. The store is open. The third word on the right is at-tufahu, the apple. Which word is the appropriate khabar for at-tufahu here? Lazizun. Correct. So we have at-tufahu lazizun. The apple is delicious. The fourth mubtada is al-ma'u, the water. Notice the letter mim is the Qamariya letter, so we need to spell out the lam of al-ma'u. The right khabar for al-ma'u is harun. Al-ma'u harun, which means the water is hot. The next ism is al-hajaru, the stone. So al-hajaru is our mubtada of the sentence here. Which one of the last 2 words is our khabar? Thaqilun, right? Thaqilun. So the sentence will be al-hajaru thaqilun, which means the stone is heavy. The final word, al-qalamu, the pen. And with the last word left in the left column, we've got al-qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken. We're done with this exercise. In the second half of page 18, we have a box with a few new words listed in it. So let's review them. Hulwun, sweet. Maridun, sick. Ad-dukkanu, the store. Ghaniyun, rich. Tawilun, tall. Faqirun, poor, which is the opposite of ghaniyun. Qasirun is short, which is the opposite of tawilun. And finally, at-tufahu, the apple. Keep in mind that all these words are ism. Can you spot ma'rifah words here? Ad-dukkanu and at-tufahu, right? The rest are nakira words. Now we are done with page 18, and we have already covered page 19 in part 6 of this lesson. So let's jump to page 20. Here we have a single exercise. All we need to do is practice reading the listed words properly, paying attention to the Shamsiyah and Qamariya letters and the ending of the words. Notice that all of these words are also ism, and they are coming as ma'rifah here because of al prefix at the beginning. Let's start. I will read it and you try to repeat after me, okay? Al-baytu, the house. Al-baytu. Ba is the Qamariya letter. Ad-diku, the rooster. Ad-diku. Dal is the Shamsiyya letter. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Al-Mudarrisu. Mim is the Qamariyya letter. Al-Babu, the door. Al-Babu. At-Talibu, the student. At-Talibu. Ta is the Shamsiyya. As-Sukkaru, the sugar. As-Sukkaru. Sin is the Shamsiyya. Ad-Daftaru, the notebook. Ad-Daftaru. Next line. Al-Akhu means the brother. Al-Akhu. Alif is the Qamariyya letter. Ar-Rasulu is the messenger. Ar-Rasulu. Ra is the Shamsiyya letter. Al-Wajhu means the face. Al-Wajhu. Waw is the Qamariyya. As-Sadiqu is the friend. As-Sadiqu. Sad is the Shamsiyya. Al-Qur'anu, the Quran. Al-Qur'anu, the letter Qaf is the Qamariyya. As-Salatu, the prayer. As-Salatu. Al-Ka'batu, the Kaaba. Al-Ka'batu, the letter Kaf is the Qamariyya. Next line. Ar-Ra'su means the head. Ar-Ra'su. Al-Isba'u means the finger. Al-Isba'u. As-Sabunu means the soap. As-Sabunu. Al-Dhufru means the fingernail. Al-Dhufru. Dha is the Shamsiyya letter. Al-Fajru, the dawn. Al-Fajru, as in Al-Fajr prayer. The letter Fa is of the Qamariyya type. Al-Dhuhru, the midday. Al-Dhuhru, as in Al-Dhuhr prayer. Al-Asru, the afternoon. Al-Asru, as in Al-Asr prayer. Ain is the Qamariyya letter here. Al-Maghribu, the sunset. Al-Maghribu, as in Al-Maghrib prayer. Al-Isha'u, the evening. Al-Isha'u, as in Al-Isha prayer. Very good. We are all finished with lesson 3. We have covered a few concepts. Let's quickly summarize it. We started the lesson by learning how to turn nakira, indefinite ism, to ma'rifah, definite ism. We also learned about the role of the connecting hamza, hamzatul wasl, that comes on top of alif of the definite article al. Then we learned the type of words in Arabic, which were fi'l, harf, and ism. After that, we were introduced to 2 types of sentences in Arabic, which were Jumlah Ismiyyah and Jumlah Fi'liyyah. And we started learning more about the structure of Jumlah Ismiyyah. Do you remember the 2 major parts of Jumlah Ismiyyah? Mubtada and Khabar, right? And finally, we learned about the Qamariyya and Shamsiyya type letters and how to read words starting with these letters when they come as ma'rifah with al prefix. I feel that we made very good progress, and I hope you feel the same way. At this point, we are ready to start lesson 4 of book 1, which we will do in the next video, insha'Allah. رَبَّنَا زِدْنَا عِلْمًا. May Allah increase us in knowledge. Wassalamu alaikum.